Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Spotlight search on MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, I want you to understand what Spotlight search is. So it looks something like this. As you can see, you can move it around on the screen anywhere. You can pull it out anytime you want. You can also go ahead and add numbers over here, right? And it will just give you the answer. You can also search for websites right over here, as you can see, and then simply go ahead and launch on your web. You can also go ahead and search for files. So for example, a application like Premiere Pro, let's say. As you can see, you can do all of that. So how can you simply go ahead and enable it? All you need to do is already going to come enabled on all laptops. Just press Command and then space. That is it. Now you can do whatever you want. So even if you have a question that you would like to know, like how many stars are there in the universe, and simply press enter, it is going to simply go ahead and search the web for you, as you can see, and it's just going to go ahead and open Safari and enter the exact thing that you just wrote. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.